Oh, I love it. Oh, I love this. Yeah.
Sammy on the beat,
Hey guys, it's your girl MissJemimaaa, and I'm back at it again with another video. So today's video is another ASOPH haul. These items here is what I will be showing you in today's video. So we're just gonna get right into it because I'm so excited to show you some of these pieces. So time to change. What is happening here? Okay, so this first piece here is a crop top that says nope, because y'all know no is one of my favorite words. I love the color. This is definitely a crop top that I would wear with a sports bra underneath or something that I don't mind being seen, because sis, an accident will happen real quick. But yeah, so it also comes with mesh sleeves, and the mesh actually stops at about this seam right here, so you can always cut it out if you're not into it. It's actually making me kind of hot, but maybe that's a good thing for fall. But I definitely see the look that they're going for with it, and it's cute. I like it. But personally, I might end up cutting out the mesh. I don't like to be hot, y'all. I really don't. But this is cute. Nope. Alright, next. Baby girl, I wanna be a baby girl. Baby girl, I wanna be a baby girl. This crop top is cute. It says baby girl in front, if you're wondering why I was singing that song. Super stretchy. Like, this material is beyond stretchy, bro. Like, super stretchy. And it was just like the first one, minus the mesh. I would wear the cutest sports bra in this color underneath, or like a bright neon green or something like that. This is cute. I like it. I like it a lot. Oh, baby girl, I wanna be a baby girl. Yeah, super stretchy, super comfortable. Once again, make sure you're wearing it with something that you don't mind being seen underneath, because you might have a slip. Move like a snake, move like a snake, move like a snake.
move like a snake, like a snake, move like a snake, like a snake, move like a snake, like a snake.
So the next piece are these tie-dye pants with suspenders. So cute. And it's actually super cute as is with it down like this. And it has flare bell-bottom pants. Can you see? And it's super cute. And you can just pull these up to add to your look. So you can wear it the way I am right now, with a crop top underneath, or a t-shirt that's tied in front, or a bandeau. There are many different ways you can wear this. But this is super cute. I love the pattern. It comes down to a great length. Let me take off my little house slippers. It's actually grazing the floor. But this is very cute. So these come in with lining already built into it. I'm not sure if you can tell on camera, but there is like a short that's inside that covers everything here and up. Like this white part that you see on the inside is the lining. So you can go pantyless, or you can wear a thong and your goodies won't be revealed. Okay, next. Oh. I'm so sad because this was so cute, but this doesn't fit me at all. It's actually supposed to be like loose. It does not fit me at all. ASOPH, I've realized some of their pieces are true to size and some of their pieces are like junior sizing. So this doesn't have stretch, so I knew it was a risk going in, but It's so cute. It was worth the risk. Like, y'all, I had plans for these. Oh my god. Man. Oh. But these are so cute. Like, I love the pinstripe. I love how they switch it from like vertical to horizontal at the bottom. Like, it has a whole nautical theme, and I'm just really into it. It's just very unfortunate that doesn't fit me. But yeah, zero stretch, ladies. So make sure you're actually getting your size. Oh. So this is the next piece, and this beautiful royal blue dress is perfect for me for like Fridays at work when I want to be super comfortable but still like appropriate enough for work. So the dress is pretty long. It's about 6 inches from the floor. It's super stretchy, fits very well. I like the length of the sleeve, and I think it would pair really well with a belt. I would wear it like this because it's like literally work appropriate sweatpants. But if you want to like dress up a little bit more, adding a belt is perfect. And as you can see, the belt helps to really tie in that waist and give you more of a shape. Make that booty pop. Yeah. I like this dress. Next. Now, this dress right here is everything. The material is super soft. It's so stretchy. I mean, come on. I look good. My body looks good. If you can see, the hem is like curved in the front and the back and goes up a little bit, which I feel like enhances my curves. This little detailing right here gives a hint of cleavage, but not too much. And the colors, I mean, come on. Whew. This is nice. Mind you, I'm wearing just like regular shorts. I'm not wearing Spanx. Can you imagine if I'm wearing Spanx and it's like, yes. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love this. Yeah. No. So before I talk about the piece that's currently on my body, I just want to have a moment of silence for this jumpsuit that will never be. This is so cute. Oh my god. I just knew I was going to be Meg Thee Stallion in these. Like, I just knew I was, but unfortunately it doesn't fit despite the stretch. So that's what I mean when I say like sometimes they fit true to size, sometimes they fit like junior sizing. So I guess these videos are really helpful so you know exactly what size to get in certain items. But yeah, for me personally, I would have to size up for this to fit me, but there is no more up after 3X. I'm too fat for ASOPH. But yeah, so RIP to this jumpsuit. It's not gonna make it to my closet. So finally getting to the piece I'm actually wearing. This two-piece set is super cute. I decided to go with these capris. Once again, super stretchy. As you can tell, I tend to go for stretchier items because I need the extra material. But these are super cute. I feel like this would pair cute not only with this kind of top, but like a t-shirt that's tied or cropped, whatever, or some kind of off-the-shoulder crop top would be super cute with these. And they're very comfortable. They're extremely comfortable. Like, I already know I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of these pants. A lot of wear. The top, I've noticed that ASOPH, like tops like these, aren't always the best for the girls with, you know, the bigger tatas. Like I said, I'm a full coverage bra kind of girl, so my bra shows in these tops. And I personally would not go braless because then my nipples would be hanging out the bottom. And that's not really cute to be walking around with just a nipple at the bottom. So I would repurpose these pants and just choose a different top. Or I would wear something to go on top that maybe like cuts right here. Speaking of which, let's go to the next one. You all know I'm big on kimonos and cardigans and dusters and all that. So this yellow one was really cute. I thought it was very fall appropriate. And the fringe detailing is cute, sets it apart. I was actually hoping this would cover, but it doesn't. But that's fine. This looks good as is, like this. A good way to spice up a plain dress, or a good way to introduce yourself to crop tops. If you're not 100% comfortable with having your entire body out, you can wear the crop top and have something like this over it. And it's a look. This is really cute. I like this. Next. So if you don't eat burgers as much as I do, then shorty, I think that these pants is for you. Cause I be trying to do what it do. But baby, I just love food. I took a modern dance class in like middle school, and we had these little outfit things that was literally like this, and we danced like that, like. Oh my god. I love this so much. Oh my god. This is like a Snuggie. Oh no, hands down, this is my favorite piece I've ever gotten from ASOPH. Oh my, it's just like a Snuggie. What is this I feel? No, no. I have pockets. I love this. My bra getting in the way. Hold on. Yes, I'm giving you high fashion housewear, contemporary millennial muumuu. Yo, but low key though, hold on. Let me see how this looks. This is cute. What? When you trying to lounge around the house with bae? When you trying to be cute and comfortable? Yes. Hold on. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, did I just do something? Did I just do something? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Can I wear this out? Oh my God. I just made this into a poppin' jumpsuit. Can you imagine? You come home, spent the day slaying all the zaddies, come home, first thing you do is take off your belt. And then, Snuggie? What? Oh my God, I love this so much. I love this so much. Oh my God, I could cry. I could cry. I love this so much. This is dead ass my favorite piece. Oh my God, I love this. Well, that about wraps it up for today's video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. Thank you, ASOPH, for partnering with me for this video, and I will see you in the next one. Toodles! Are you mad because you don't have this? Are you mad? You mad. I'm mad for you, sis, because you need this.